The way you speak to yourself matters more than you ever know. Every word uttered is either watering your growth or tearing you down slowly. Sometimes you don't even know. So please learn to speak kindly to yourself like you will to others. Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Dominic and I welcome you to another edition of Debbie Inspires. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you ways to speak kindly to yourself. So if you're a person who is just joining us, please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always being here. Now let's get right into the video. Here is how to speak kindly to yourself. The first point on my list is start your day with gentle words. Start your day with gentle words like, today is a new day. Today is a fresh start and I'm giving it all my best. And make sure you do so. The second point on my list is replace harsh thoughts with grace. Please give yourself some grace. In as much as you love to give grace to people whom you love, please, you deserve to give yourself some grace too. Yes, you deserve to speak kindly to yourself. Now, for instance, when you mess up, don't tell yourself that, I am so stupid. I always mess things up, or telling yourself that I am such a failure. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Instead, tell yourself things like, I made a mistake, but I am still learning and growing. And that's it. It's so simple. So please speak kindly to yourself. The third point on my list is take yourself as someone you love. Yes, you deserve your own love and kindness too. Let me ask you a question. Would you talk to your child or your friend or someone you love so dearly the way you speak to yourself? If not, then please change your tone. Change the way you speak to yourself and add some kindness to it. And you will see changes in your life. Yes, remember you deserve your own kindness. The fourth point on my list is catch and correct negative self-talk immediately, with immediate alacrity. Beware of phrases like I can't, I am not enough, I am not ready, and replace them with the absolute truth. Like, I can learn. Tell yourself words like I can learn. I am doing my best and my pace is still progress. Encourage yourself as you journey through life, as you try things. Please try to always encourage yourself. Tell yourself, God is still working on me. I am growing into the better version of myself. Okay? Please add some kindness when you're speaking to yourself. The next point on my list is use daily affirmations. Use daily affirmations. Tell yourself words like, I am worthy of love. I am beautiful the way I am. I am enough. And my pace is still progress no matter what. Keep telling yourself all these things. Tell yourself, I am growing into the better version of myself. Tell yourself that I am growing, I am becoming. Yeah, encourage yourself. You can even become more intentional by writing these things down and saying them to yourself every day. For instance, today is Friday, and let me share my Friday affirmations with you so that you have an idea of what affirmations are about. So, listen to my Friday's affirmation. I am perfect the way I am. I am the best of my kind. I am full of love for myself and others. I am enough. I am beautiful inside out. I am succeeding in life. I am taking positive steps every day. I am full of gratitude for my life. I am prepared for my dreams to come true. I am proud of my accomplishments. I am full of energy. I am bold. I am beautiful and brilliant. I am intelligent. I am at peace with my past and my future. I choose to focus on the present and give it my best. I am loved. I am beautiful and timeless. Loving myself comes to me very easily. I am whole and complete just as I am. I am worthy of self care, compassion, and love. I prioritize my physical, emotional, and spiritual well being. I choose to celebrate myself every day. Yay! So I'm done with my Friday's affirmations. And anytime I say these affirmations to myself, I feel more energetic. I feel ready of facing whatsoever challenge that comes my way. So I advise you to please do the same and be kind to yourself. The sixth point on my list is end your day with kind reflections. Underline the word kind. Yes. And the reason why I put the word kind is that it's on those things that you've done wrong. Think of those things that you've done well. Ask yourself questions. Where and what did I do right today? Where did I show courage? And what are those areas that I need to improve? And encourage yourself by saying, at least I tried, at least I showed up, at least I mattered. Especially for those of us who are introverts, who find it difficult to actually give our own contributions when we go out. Please become more visible, because let me tell you, you are more intelligent than you ever imagined. So make sure you are kind to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself anytime you feel. Speak kindly to yourself and give yourself some grace. Okay? Give yourself some grace. So finally, be someone who speaks life into your soul and not the other way around. Make sure that you speak kindly to yourself, because let me remind you of something. You are your longest commitment. And you're the one who is always listening to yourself. So don't you think you should add some little kindness into the way you speak to yourself? Please, because how we speak to yourself shapes the person or the people we become later in life. So please add some kindness while you speak to yourself. You deserve your own kindness too. So that's pretty much what I have for you for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel for more inspiring videos, especially if you're a person who is passionate about growth, figuring out life one day at a time, or just living a life of purpose. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next one. Bye.